Once upon a time, in the heart of a lush green forest, there lived a clever and mischievous squirrel named Sammy. Sammy was known far and wide for his love of acorns. He would spend his days scurrying up and down trees, collecting as many acorns as he could find. One sunny morning, while Sammy was busy gathering acorns, he noticed a massive oak tree in the center of the forest. This oak tree was unlike any other. It was rumored to have the most delicious and abundant acorns in the entire forest. Sammy's eyes lit up with greed, and he couldn't resist the temptation. Sammy decided to hoard all the acorns from the magical oak tree for himself. He thought, "If I have all these acorns, I'll never have to worry about food again." So Sammy began tirelessly collecting acorns from the magical oak tree, leaving none for the other animals. As days turned into weeks, Sammy's stash of acorns grew bigger and bigger. He would spend hours counting his collection and boasting to the other animals about his wealth. However, the forest began to change. The once vibrant and lively forest now seemed dull and lifeless. Without acorns to eat, the other animals in the forest were hungry and weak. They pleaded with Sammy to share his acorns, but he turned a deaf ear. Greed had blinded Sammy, and he didn't care about anyone but himself. One night, as Sammy was sleeping soundly in his cozy nest filled with acorns, he heard a loud cracking noise. Startled, he woke up to find his precious acorn stash falling from his nest. The weight of his greed had become too much for the branch to bear. Sammy's greed had led to his own downfall. Now, Sammy was left with nothing but regrets. He realized that his greed had not only harmed the other animals, but also brought him misfortune. With a heavy heart, Sammy decided to share the remaining acorns with the other animals and help restore the forest's vitality. As Sammy mended his ways, the forest began to thrive again. The animals forgave him for his past mistakes, and they all lived happily together, sharing the acorns from the magical oak tree.